Hi, my name is Ron. I'm CEO of Mawi. Let me introduce our new Mawi platform for COVID-19 risk management. You can prevent office presence of employees with potential COVID-19 by offering each employee regular 10 seconds device-powered morning checkup. I'll now explain how it works. Let's see our Mawi dashboard. So you are registered in your company profile in our dashboard. You can easily add department, you can easily delete this department. Here you can see your employees list. So you can manage the status. Each employee created, on board or registered. On board we mean that each employee passed all registration screen. You can easily add employee. I will add myself. Now I receive QR code. I can use my mobile phone for immediate registration, even for help desk in the company. So let's see how our mobile application for each employee works. I'll use this QR code to scan. I'll fill my email, my password. I'll confirm my email. So I'm in app. I need to pass basic questionnaire to estimate COVID-19 basic risk. We use our specific algorithms for COVID-19 analysis. I'll answer basic questions. So this is a health board. Let's go to our dashboard. It's a daily dashboard, and company manager have access to this dashboard, and in real time can see who was measured, who was not measured, who passed this measurement, who passed successfully or not successfully. You can set up a schedule of all measurements. Once I've set up a schedule, let's make it 9 a.m. I can easily make a push notifications for all my company employees. Each morning, I will start screening. See, this is a basic statistics. So I need to confirm that all data I will share is correct. On everyday basis, I pass basic screening and basic questionnaire. Now I will measure temperature. I can add this temperature manually, or I can use devices for forehead infrared measurement. So I will use device. So you see my temperature is good. Screening is passed successfully. If I will have some problems or some risk of COVID-19, I will have a red badge. And this red badge will be described in the dashboard. So help desk assistants can generate everyday report for the company management to see the basic statistics regarding all situation in the company. This report looks like a number of different charts and statistics which describe the situation in the company. For example, in our company, 12 people was with red badge, and if compared with previous dates, it's 2 times less. We can also see how many people missed screenings, how many people perform screenings successfully. So let's care about employee health and decrease risk of new COVID-19 outbreaks. So see you. Bye.